Duties and responsibility of the licensed real estate sales agent under developers or the reseller property. Number 1. Client presentation. Assist buyer, seller, and investor in purchasing, selling, and leasing properties. Represent client best interest in negotiation. Number 2. Property marketing. Promote listing through online platform, social media, print ads, and open houses. Number 3. Lead generation. Prospect for the potential client through networking, referral, and marketing. Number 4. Property knowledge and presentation. Conduct site tripping and property viewing with a client. Explain the future amenities, location, advantages, and investment potential. Number 5. Advisory role. Educate buyer about the financing option, the bank financing, the in-house financing, and the pag-ibig financing. Number 6. Documentation and compliance. Assist in preparing contract agreement if necessary. Docs. Number 7. Negotiation. Facilitate price discussion between the buyer and the seller. Work towards closing the transaction benefits to all parties. Number 8. After sales service. Guide clients through the loan application, turnover process, and title transfer. Maintain long-term client relationship for referrals and repeat business. Now you know. Please follow and share.